Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 29th, 2020, and it's raining out here today. It's cold and it's damp, but I wanted to show you this real quick. We still do have some tomatoes going. Now these survived a few killing frosts that we had. The hollow garden is completely done. The frost wiped out everything that was down there. And it's definitely fall here. The leaves are turning beautifully. And you can see some more trees over here turning. So Mikey's down there checking the garden out. He's doing his little searching there. And I can't go in the garden because I have the umbrella because it's raining. And I can't get through the gate. So we still have some tomato plants left in there, some cherry tomatoes and Mr. Stripey and the Russian Purple, the Park Whoppers, and different ones are still going. The green beans and the wax beans, they're still going. We have our Brussels sprouts and picked off beautiful cabbage and cauliflower and broccoli, and we still have more cabbage here. So my dad helped me get through the gate so I can show you this here. Now we don't pull our broccoli out. This is still the first broccoli that I planted in the spring in the greenhouse, and then we transplanted it outside. So you can see it's getting beautiful heads in here. This is a Smart Snack hybrid broccoli. It does put off multiple side shoots on it, and that's something that I could not find anywhere online about this particular broccoli, but I can say that it does put off multiple side shoots here. See here, beautiful heads. You can see our Brussels sprouts. They have Brussels sprouts on them there.
We'll have broccoli probably until snow anyway. Usually it lasts in the snow for some.
And our little cabbages are forming the nice little second heads there. And they're getting nice and solid for us there. Tomatoes here.
Everybody says to pull them out. You don't. Okay, look at this.
So I'm coming up here now. We don't pull our cauliflower stalks out, and you can see they're getting beautiful heads on them here. There's more up here. Oh, that's a nice one there. That's beautiful. And we just let them keep going. We don't plant any fall crops of cauliflower or broccoli. We just let our stuff in, and we cut it up high enough when we harvest it off, which I have videos on my channel for how we do that. And it just keeps giving and producing for us. It might take it a little bit, but it does keep giving for us. This is the snow crown cauliflower. This is the variety of cauliflower that I grow.
These are all little heads in here coming.
And you can see all the little heads here that it's producing off here.
All these are new shoots that came up off the old stalks.
And I'm brushing against the dill here as I'm walking by, and my raincoat smells like dill. I can smell it. There's another little head in there. So we got a few Pennsylvania Dutch Crookneck pumpkins over there. We still have some of the Winter Luxury Pie pumpkin. I did do a video for that pumpkin on my channel, the Winter Luxury Pie pumpkin. And you can see there's just little cherry tomatoes all over the place. They come up on their own. We've made multiple batches of ketchup from them. And then we have our regular tomato plants in the straw bales there. And that's their second year being planted in straw bales. And we really like that method. And there's plenty of tomatoes out here still to harvest. So I'm going to be going inside here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye. You ready to go in, sweeties? Let's go home. Mikey, go home. Come on, let's go.
You want?
Mikey, go home.